Well, it's been absolutely ages since I had the opportunity to get out and photograph the desert. So this morning I got up at 4:30 and headed out to a place called Al Khateem and shot the sunrise, which now is now in the clouds. Although a few, maybe 15-20 minutes ago, it was really nice. There were some great shots. It's a lovely dune over there with a lovely bowl in it, so I'm hoping it's giving me some nice lead-in lines. But the main reason I came out here was I set myself a little project a couple of weeks ago in the form of I wanted to shoot a series of panoramic shots. I know panoramics aren't everyone's cup of tea, but I like them now and again. So I wanted to find a location where I could shoot do a panoramic at sunrise, middle of the day, and sunset. Don't ask me why, I just decided that's what I wanted to do. So now we've done the sunrise this morning, my plan is to let me turn round these dunes behind me. I might wander out onto the top of this one here, and I'm going to use this side of the road here as the panoramic. Let's see what this one comes out like. I did do one over at the sand sculptures, but it just didn't lend itself to the composition at all. So I thought I'd come out here and see what this one's like. But I may not settle on this one as a final one for the panoramics yet, but we'll see. Let's see. Anyway, before we'll let the sun get a little bit higher and hopefully out of those clouds, although it's not looking like the clouds are going to go anywhere. In fact, it's looking very overcast. We could actually get some rain. That'll be novel. So we're going to sit and have a coffee and a Danish pastry. See if we can get a bit more light coming on these dunes behind me, and we'll take it from there. Let's do it. Okay, I think we're pretty much done now as far as panoramics are concerned and the sunrise. The sun is now pretty high in the sky, but it is, however, I don't think I can go around there without being blown out. It's casting some lovely shadows in amongst these big dunes and the bowls. So I think as I drive out, I'm going to keep the camera handy with the 200mm and see if we can pick a couple of compositions out. I really like that ridge line there, actually. It's just a pity this electric line's in the way. I might wander over there now. We might be able to get a shot out of it. Anyway, that'll do for now. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Catch you later. Okay, I bet you're wondering where the sunset is. I did go back out, I did do the sunset, I just didn't vlog it. So, we sat here in the villa telling you that, okay? Job done. Yeah, I went all the way back out there because it's like an hour's drive from where I live. So we went back out in the evening and the clouds were great again. There were some beautiful colours around. And I went back to where I actually did the sunrise, but the opposite side of the dunes. So I walked in further, shot obviously into the sun, and got a really nice sunset as well. So here's the sunset coming up now. See you later.